Jai Hind everyone. Welcome to online classes of Sri Ram Public School. I am your SST teacher and today we are going to continue our topic chapter 14 transport. In last class we have studied about transport, needs of transport and type of transport, land transport, water transport, and today we are going to know about air transport. Aeroplanes and helicopters are the fastest means of transport. The first aeroplane flew in December 1903. Air travel is the most expensive mode of transportation. Nearly every state in India has domestic and international airports. Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata are some of the major states that have international airports. Air transport. Aeroplane and helicopter are the fastest means of transport which run in air, and the first aeroplane flew in December 1903. Air travel is the most expensive mode of transport. It is the most expensive, most costly way of the transport. It is costly than roadways and waterways. Nearly every state in India has domestic and international airport. Every state in India have domestic and international airport, and Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata are some of the major states that have international airport. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Goa, Patna, Lucknow and Srinagar are other large airports in India. Major airlines of our country are Air India, SpiceJet. Jet distances in very little time due to air transport. Major airlines of our country is Air India, SpiceJet and Jet Airways, Indigo, Go Air and Vistra. People can travel longer distance in very little time due to air transport. It is the first means of communication and people can use for far off places and international flights for this way of transport. Some international airports are Indira Gandhi International Airport in New Delhi, Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport in Mumbai, and Kampegoda International Airport in Bangalore, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata. In time of emergency situation such as drought, floods, etc., essential aid can be quickly sent through airways to the specific locations. In time of emergency, if any disaster is coming in a difficult situation, airways is very beneficial that time, such as drought, floods, etc. Essential aid essential help can be quickly sent through the airways to the specific locations. Let us see main points of this chapter. Transport plays a vital role in the trade and commerce. India has a large network of roads. Roadways and railways are two types of land transport. Railways are a major means of transport in India. Indian Railways network is the second largest in Asia. All Indian rivers are not navigable throughout the year. Ships, boats, ferries, etc. are used as means of transport for goods and people from one place to another. Air travel is the fastest and most expensive means of transport. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.